Dear students, in this video we are going to learn about computer software. You must be wondering, computer is just a machine like any other machine. How it works, how it knows what it's supposed to do. So it works as per the instructions given. It doesn't process any intelligence on its own. Okay. So what are these instructions? These instructions can be pre-stored or it can be given on the spot. These instructions are called as programs or software. What is the software then? It is a collection of computer programs, procedures, and documentations that performs different tasks on a computer system. Softwares are called a set of instructions given to the computer, guide the computer hardware to perform different types of tasks. Okay. So as you know, a brain with a human body without brain doesn't work. A mobile phone without a SIM card doesn't work. A television without a cable connection doesn't work. The same way, without a software, your computer hardware will not work. Right? So there are many types of software. Like you may play games, you may watch movies, you may listen to music, you will send letter, you will be creating presentations. So you will have the live conference with your clients or with your family. Any business presentations you will do, diagnose diseases in hospitals. You will play games. All these are called as softwares. All these are categorized in many types. There are two types of software: system software and application software. First, let's see what is system software. System software include all those programs or software that are used by the computer to manage its internal working and to assist with the running of user programs. Like it is designed to operate, control, and extend the processing capabilities of the computer. It helps in running the computer hardware. Right, you're understanding. It is a software which is already installed in your computer to manage its internal working of your computer. So there are different types of system softwares available. One is operating systems, utility programs, device drivers, and language processors. Let's see one by one what is that. First one is operating system. So as you all know, it operates the computer. It is the main software to operate your computer. That's why it is called as operating system. So it gets loaded in the computer's memory as soon as the computer is switched on. And it remains switched on till it gets switched off. It manages the hardware, software, parts of the computer, and it controls the overall working of your computer. Okay, so there are many many operating systems available, like Windows operating system, Apple version of Unix, Linux, Mac OS X, Macintosh. Now we have Android operating systems, iOS. There are so many versions available on these operating systems also. Next comes language processes. They are programs that translate and interpret high-level language instructions into machine language form. What do you mean by that? As you all know, computer understands only binary language, only 0 and 1. But these softwares are written in many languages, like we have Java, we have C, C++. They are all not containing only 0 and 1. We are writing in English language. The codes are generated in English language. Then how computer understands all these things? Through language processes. So like interpreters. Okay, if two people are there, okay, if they don't know the languages, there will be an interpreter, right? So if Modi goes to America, how they both will talk, there will be an interpreter in between them. So same like that, high level language programs are converted through interpreters to computer, translated through interpreters, through language processes. There are three types of language processes: compilers, interpreters, and assemblers. First one is compilers, which translates the complete high-level language program as a whole into the machine code before execution. But what interpreters does? It converts each statement line by line. Okay, source code is what? The code which is written in the high-level language or low-level language or any other language. The machine code is what? Which after converting, the language processes will convert those source code into machine code. That is binary language code. So interpreters converts it line by line. Then assemblers. It is used to translate the program written in the assembly language, that is low level language, into machine code. Okay, so what is the advantage of compilers over interpreters? So what is the main advantages is interpreters are time consuming because it is executing line by line, but compilers translate on a whole, so it won't be consuming more time. Okay, so each time the program is running, that time every time that will be translated and executed in interpreter. Okay, it is very difficult. If you do in the compilers, it will completely uh, translate and displace the machine code before execution. Okay, next comes device drivers. So it is also a software program which allows your operating system to operate or control a particular type of device. So you must be, when you are buying any device which can be attached to your computer, you must be receiving one CD. Okay, so that is called device drivers. So you have to install it to use that particular device. So when we use any peripheral devices, a CD containing its driver software also comes with it. We need to install it in your computer, in our computer system, before using the device. So these common devices are printers, video adapters, network cards, sound cards, storage devices. Any storage devices may come with the device drivers. Next, system utilities, that is utility programs we see. So it is also known as a service routines or utility software, which helps in managing and optimizing the computer hardware and application software. There are many types of utility softwares available, okay, which will take care of your computer, like data backup, recovery software, disk defragmenter, disk checkers, cleaners, antivirus softwares, disk partitioners, data compression utilities, encryption tool, decryption tool. Okay, so all these are called as system utility software. Basically, it takes care of your computer. Next comes application software. Okay, so these are the softwares that are created to facilitate or perform a specific type of real life applications directly for the end user. There are three types of application softwares: general purpose application software, special purpose application software, and customized or bespoke application software. Okay, so now let's see one by one what is this. First one is general purpose application software. So as I told you, system software. Without system software, your computer will not work. You need operating system, you need language processors, you need device drivers, and you need system utilities. But this general purpose, this application softwares, it is created for a purpose. Your computer will run without these softwares also. Right. So what is this purpose? This general purpose application software include application packages designed to carry out multiple common tasks. So for example, you may want to write a letter, you wanted to create any calculation you want to do, you want to create a presentation, or you wanted to manage the database. So all these are special for general purpose applications. So you can many people can use this. Okay, so word processors, spreadsheet softwares, presentation softwares, database management softwares, multimedia softwares, animation software, photo editing softwares, and many more softwares. Next comes special purpose application softwares. It is designed to carry out a specific task. For example, inventory management. Every company needs an inventory management system, payroll system, human resource management system, computerized billing system, computerized reservation system, attendance system, inventory control system, accounting software. These are all to carry out a specific task, which if they wanted this to do this particular task, the company will buy the particular software and they will use for their organization. Okay. Next comes customized application software. This is also a type of a software that is targeted at the mass market. For us, for example, it is developed for a particular organization or a particular company according to its specific requirements and business rules. So every company will have their specific requirements. Like for example, our school you take, we have an NTAB software. That is a cloud computing software for which is created for our specific purpose for our school. Right? So it includes commercial websites, business databases, and software for governments also. So for example, government organization, if you take, okay, so for electricity department, they need one specific software according to their requirement, specific requirement, right? So there are so many departments in government. They will have separate softwares according to their specific requirements. So these are all called customized application software. You know the meaning of the word customized, right? Created for your as per your requirement. Next comes mobile applications. So nowadays everyone is aware of this mobile applications. What is this mobile application? It is a small self-contained computer program designed to run on mobile devices. Only difference is it is designed to run on the mobile devices such as smartphones, tablet computers, etc. There are different application stores available here. So you must be knowing this Google Play if you are using Android operating system, App Store for Apple App Store like iPhones, iPads, Apple, whatever developed by Apple company. And other app stores are also available here. Amazon App Store, BlackBerry World, then OVI Nokia, then Microsoft Store, Windows Store. This is Samsung application store. Right. So what are the advantages of using these apps? It saves time. It is created for a specific task. It is user friendly. That means it is not required that only the experts can use it. Any user can use it even without much knowledge of the smartphones. They can use because it is created for a specific task. It makes your works very simpler. Next, some popular applications. What are the popular applications we are using nowadays? Mobile applications, WhatsApp, Flipkart, Amazon, all these things. What is this WhatsApp? It is a social. Now we have Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp Messenger. There are so many messengers available. Okay, what it does? Okay, it will allow you to share messages, videos, audio clips, and you can make a call, audio call, video call, all these things. Next, Flipkart and Amazon, all these are e-shopping websites. So we can buy products online or we can sell products online. Next, Wonderlist. What is this? It allows like you can make it is like a virtual diary. Virtual diary means instead of taking a diary and making a note, you can make a note using a virtual diary, that is Wonderlist. Next, Google Earth. You must have heard this about Google Map, right? So you can swipe and see your satellite images of your city or locality or any other part of the world using this Google Earth application. Next comes Tumblr. So it is used to create and follow short blogs or tumble logs. I say like basically to create vlogs and blogs. Right? You can share photos, videos, or any other funny things with your friends or other people also. Right? Thank you, children.